Hello friends, this is Dr.Arpana. I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. I am a practicing homeopathic consultant, and in this channel I talk to you about the role and scope of homeopathy in the various diseased conditions, and today we will be discussing about the topic depression and the homeopathic medicines. Now, before I start with the topic, I would like to say that we all are going through a difficult time of our life, and it is important that we be in touch with our friends, with our family. If you cannot visit your parent, just be in touch with them over the phone or maybe with your family members. And we all must try to listen patiently to what the other person is saying. Many a times it can happen that if the other person can take out the thoughts and emotions out, the person will feel so much better. But again, because of the ego and everything, we many a times do not let the other person speak, and as a result of it, the other person can go into a depressed state, can go into depression. So it is important for us to help our friends and our family members to at least relax, and we really do not know what is going on in the other person's life. So it is important for us to be at least empathetic towards everybody. Now, depression is something that is a very vast topic. At times it happens that a patient will come and will say that there is nobody to whom I can tell my complaints or I can tell how do I feel. So that shows that there is a lot inside all of us, and it is important for us to release that, to take out the thoughts, to take out the emotions. Say it to somebody. If you really do not have anyone to whom you can say, write it down somewhere and just close it and keep it aside. So that is how we can actually take out our thoughts, emotions, because if we keep on filling up, then what will happen? A point will come when it will be a complete saturation, and then either it will express itself in the form of some mental disorders, depression, OCD, or it can represent itself in the physical body in the form of autoimmune diseases, SLE, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, IBS, and so many other diseases. So it is very important for all of us, first of all, to release our thoughts and emotions, and also to listen to what the other person is saying. So let's get started. Today we will be discussing about depression and the homeopathic medicines. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you are always updated whenever I publish any new video or I share any information with you all. You do not miss any of them. So friends, depression and feeling depressed, they both are two different entities. We all may feel depressed at some point in our life, but if that depressed feeling continues, prolongs for a prolonged period of time, maybe for weeks, for months altogether, then that can result in a full-blown depression. Now, how to know if a person is suffering from depression or not? So the symptoms will be low mood, low concentration, indifferent, not enjoying the things that the person used to enjoy. There will be a different pattern of eating. The person may either eat a lot, or there will be loss of appetite. There will be disturbance in the sleeping pattern, lack of sleep, or excessive sleeping. So basically it will be disproportionate, the eating pattern, the sleeping pattern, the indifference. Along with that, we can also see that there is restlessness or there is slowness. There can be a feeling of guilt. The person may feel guilty for something, or there can also be feeling of ending up his or her life. So these will be the symptoms of depression. Now the risk factors can be the lifestyle, the challenges, the work pressure. Along with that, if the family atmosphere is not very healthy, there is problem with your partner, there is compatibility problem, there is problem in the bonding with the family members, or there can also be some genetics. So of course genetics has a role to play. Now these will be the risk factors. So now coming to the point that if a person is suffering from depression, then what should be done? So if a person is suffering from depression, it is very important to identify and give some help to that person. If you ever get to know that you are getting the symptoms, try to seek out help from others. You can take the therapies which are very helpful. Along with that, homeopathic medicines can also help. So the first medicine is Thuja. Thuja is a very good medicine for depression if the depression is a resultant of some kind of physical abuse. The next medicine is Aurum metallicum. Now Aurum metallicum is a very good medicine which should be considered when there is a history of attempted suicide. The person has tried to end his life. In that case, Aurum metallicum can be a very useful medicine. The next medicine is Naja. So in Naja we see that there is atrophy of the brain cells. Along with that, the person will feel dull, the person will not enjoy the rain, and there is a complete dullness inside. In this case, Naja can help. The next medicine is Sepia. Now Sepia, friends, is a very useful medicine and the most used medicines also in case of a female, and Sepia is the medicine for a tired housewife, the one who is working throughout the day, right from the morning till the night, but there is no appreciation from her husband, there is no appreciation from the family members. Just as an icing on the cake, the husband will always blame her for everything, and in this case a female may develop symptoms of depression or may go into a gloomy state, and in this cases Sepia medicine can help. So friends, these are some of the medicines that can help in depression, but as I said that depression is a very vast topic and homeopathic medicines are always given on the symptom similarity. So it is important that if you know somebody who is suffering from depression, or you at all sometimes feel that maybe you are not feeling that good, then it is time that you seek some medical help. If you want to consider homeopathic medicines, then they are also very good in this condition. I hope that you all like the information that I shared with you all today. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on the video. If you wish to book an appointment with me, all the details are already given to you. You can send a message through WhatsApp in the given number and you will be provided with all the details for booking an appointment from my office. If you wish to speak to me over the phone directly, that too is possible with the help of an app. All the details are already given to you. So that is all for today. Have a nice and wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much for watching.